Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Brevo to Shopify step by step using Zapier. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months by using the link that we put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Zapier account. Zapier is an automation platform that allows you to connect Brevo with Shopify and really many other apps. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen. Hover over the plus icon, then click on the plus create button. From the drop-down menu, select Zaps. When you do this, Zapier will open the Zap setup screen. This screen is divided into 3 parts: Copilot, Trigger, and Action. The Copilot feature is Zapier's AI assistant, which will help automate workflow creation. You can describe your workflow in plain language, and Zapier will generate it for you automatically. But for this tutorial, we'll build the integration manually so that you can understand every step of how Brevo connects with Shopify. Start by setting up the trigger. Click inside of the trigger box and search for Brevo from the list of available apps. Once you find it, click to select it. Next, the setup panel will appear there on the right. In the trigger event field, you'll see several options such as contact added, contact updated, or contact unsubscribed. For this tutorial, we'll select marketing email delivered. Just below the trigger event, you'll see the account field. Here is where you need to connect your Brevo account. Click Sign In. A pop-up window will then appear asking for your Brevo API key. Let me show you how to find it. Open your Brevo account in a new browser tab. Then click the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access settings. Once you're inside, click on SMTP and API. On this page, go to API keys and MCP. Click on Generate a new API key right there in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter a name for your new key. After typing the name, click Generate. Brevo will now show you your new API key, so copy it, go back into Zapier, paste it into the provided field, and then click Yes, Continue to Brevo. Now your Brevo account is connected to Zapier. Once it's connected, move to the next step and set up your action. Click on the action box and search for Shopify. Select it from the list, and then the setup panel will open on the right side of the screen. In the action event field, choose what you want Shopify to do when the Brevo trigger occurs. You can choose actions like add tag to customer, create customer, or update customer. For example, if you want to automatically tag a customer when they subscribe to a list in Brevo, select add tag to customer. Next, scroll down to the account section and click Sign In. A new pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your Shopify store. Enter your Shopify store URL and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Zapier's access. Once you finally grant permission, your Shopify store will be successfully connected to Zapier. After connecting your account, click Continue. Now, Zapier will show you a list of fields related to the action event you choose. These fields may include customer details, email address, tag name, or order information depending on the action. Here, you can map the data from Brevo into Shopify. For example, if you want Shopify to tag a customer based on their email, map Brevo's email field to the corresponding Shopify customer field. You can also include other details such as the customer's name or contact information if needed. Once all fields are mapped correctly, click Continue. Zapier will now prompt you to test your setup. Click Test Step to verify that everything works properly. Zapier will perform a quick test using sample data from your Brevo account and attempt to send it to Shopify. If the test passes successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, click the Publish button at the top right corner of the screen to activate your Zap. From now on, your connection between Brevo and Shopify will run automatically. Each time the trigger event occurs in Brevo, the corresponding Shopify action you set up will run in real time. For example, whenever a marketing email is delivered through Brevo, the customer record in Shopify will automatically update or receive a tag based on your configuration. This integration, it really helps you keep both platforms synchronized, saving time and ensuring that your customer data always stays up to date. And that is how you connect Brevo to Shopify step by step using Zapier. And look, if you want to explore more automation ideas or advanced workflows for Brevo, check out that link in the description to get access to our complete Brevo course, along with 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months. All right, that is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.